So we've been hearing a lot in the news about Canada's housing, and more importantly, are we in a bubble? And you're hearing a lot of people, a lot of experts come out and say that Canada is in a housing bubble right now. And what does that mean to people? Should they be scared? Well, it just means that it's not, it doesn't make sense. It doesn't, the fundamentals of why the housing market is exploding doesn't make sense. It's being spurred on by low interest rates, and you have a lot of people out there, rates have gone up in the last little while, but a lot of people out there with pre-approvals in their hand with 1.5% interest rate. And that is putting a lot of pressure on those people to find a place and close within 90 or 120 days to take advantage of those nice low rates. We don't even have immigration happening right now. That's been put on hold since the pandemic. So, a lot of experts are saying this doesn't make sense. We shouldn't be in a housing bubble. We should be in a healthy housing market, but not in a bubble. So what does that mean if you're out looking at a place or you just bought a place? Well, if you just bought a place, it doesn't really mean anything. If you bought it as your principal residence, it's a roof over your family's head. At the end of the day, you can't be worrying about if your house went up 5% or down 5%. That only matters when you go to sell it next. What's it mean for those looking to buy, though? Well, be cautious. Understand that, you're going in, but you might be going up against 3 other couples who just missed out on 4 different offers in the last 2 weeks. So they're going to be very emotionally upset and determined to get that property. So you could be, competing with multiple offers and people who are not being rational or logical. They're just acting on emotions. So be prepared, know your numbers, don't push your numbers. If you know you're approved for this, you're approved for that. And it's okay to step back and say, you know what, I'm just gonna wait right now. It feels a lot like the spring of 2017 right now. And it's okay to step back because that did end. It kind of peaked in April of 17. It's okay to say, I'm gonna wait 6 months on the sidelines and see what happens. So the bottom line is just be careful, be cautious, know your numbers, understand what's happening out there, and be rational and logical.